What is taking so long? Come on, Smith. You gotta wait. He's just trying to figure out if we're ready to go.
I can't wait to go stop by some delicious, food stops along the way. Where we're going? Where we're going again?
We're going to the movies. We have to make sure we stay low because we cannot have anyone see us. If the people saw us, we'd surely be done. Willie's cheap. That's right, Willie. We can't be seen. Just who knows what kind of chaos that would cause if, the humans saw us.